Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Huckleberry Inu. Ticker symbol is HKBY. This token just got listed today on CoinGecko, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Huckleberry Inu, ticker symbol HKBY. So this token is up 24.7% today, doing very well. It just got listed on CoinGecko. Before we get into this token, though, there is a warning at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you are trading this token. So definitely be aware of that warning there. That doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it has the potential to be a scam when there is a warning like that. So be aware of that. Now, there is a token I remember reviewing a long time ago called Huckleberry, and that had to do with Huckleberry Fin. So obviously don't get it confused with other Huckleberry tokens out there. This one is Huckleberry Inu, and the ticker symbol is different, HKBY. This is an Ethereum token. You can find their Etherscan listed on CoinGecko. Right now they have 620 holders, 4,293 transfers, 18 decimal places. On their Etherscan, you can find a link to their webpage, huckleberryinu.com, full white paper, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, contact email, total supply, or max total supply, I should say, is that's a million billion, 1 quadrillion tokens. So a lot of tokens. Yeah, you can find TikTok on CoinGecko, Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, Etherscan, price chart, contract address, all that type of stuff. So since this is an Ethereum token, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and you would trade your Ethereum for the Huckleberry Inu token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko or their Etherscan, which is also listed on CoinGecko. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, and just be aware there is going to be network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So it says most people think that investing early in meme coins occurs in secret, and that by the time you learn about it, people have already become wealthy and you will not. Many experienced it with Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Floki Inu, Baby Doge, and many other projects. Huckleberry Inu is the next opportunity, but with our reward system, holders will still benefit regardless of when they join. In addition to meme coins making people wealthy, you may not be aware that many people have wasted a great deal of money, investments in numerous cryptocurrency initiatives. Some people made large investments which were destroyed when the markets plummeted. Huckleberry Inu is launching near what is thought to be the bottom of the bear market, giving investors a unique opportunity to buy at what may be the lowest price ever. Huckleberry Inu is a versatile community-driven project that will transcend space and time with a roadmap focused on entertainment and utility. Created by a group of crypto enthusiasts and lovers of old-school cartoons, join our fun-filled community for lots of memes, contests, giveaways, and much more. Created by a group of crypto enthusiasts who had enough of the rug pulls and scams. Huckleberry Inu tokens will be sold to every participant fairly at launch. The tokens are fully available to everyone for purchase at the same price. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that only focus on marketing and listing on central exchanges, we created a token that helps ordinary people to have their money and investments in their own self-custody wallet. We are a community-based and backed by a strong development team and are always willing to answer questions and assist when needed. After launching, Huckleberry Inu will be available on Uniswap. It says, our vision at Huckleberry Inu, we want to give you a great opportunity, but this time you have to invest wisely and hold your coins. When it comes to early stage investing in crypto, less is more, especially when you get in early. Everyone that made lots of money in crypto did it in one way or another. They weren't the first set of people to find out about the project, but were the first to take the risk and invest in the opportunity presented to them. The good times of meme investing may seem like it's coming to an end, but we're here to bring it back. Some people try to be the first and out soon after when investing. Here are the building of a community of meme-loving, diamond-handed holders. The meme coin community is divided, and many people are leaving their original fanatical meme coins to seek potentially better million maker opportunities. If you haven't made any real money investing, you have a chance to be in early. Huckleberry Inu's mission is to contribute to the global movement towards the adoption of cryptocurrency and decentralization by creating an ecosystem where developers, businesses, and investors alike can grow in their respective endeavors and affairs. Among other possible opportunities as the Huckleberry Inu ecosystem grows alongside these great projects. All these things are being made possible by our community and our experienced dev team that the community can trust and grow with. So they go over lack of transparency, authentication, ownership, provenance, infighting, and pump and dumps. And they talk about, why they're, going to do better than the old pump and dumps of the past. They go over their core values here. Obviously community is a big one. They're going to have marketing wallets. They're going to publish the addresses, lock liquidity, third-party lockers, all sorts of stuff here. Within the ecosystem, they got the token. They're going to have NFTs. They're going to have their own wallet, gaming, and an exchange come out. So they're free from corporate and government interference, open for global participation, a secured platform, secured network, protected by smart contract, transparent. Tokenomics are on here. There is looks like a 4% tax on buys and sells, so you may have to set your slippage somewhere around 4%. 1% goes to the marketing wallet, 2% reflections redistributed in Shiba Inu tokens, and 1% liquidity. Their roadmap is on here. Eventually they are going to come out with their own DEX, it says. Multi-app launch, so they're going to have games, NFTs. They're going to have a comic come out. All sorts of cool stuff on here. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Huckleberry Inu? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.